And then you can edit more if you want to. I'm gonna just like dab in a different spot, okay? So you don't have to be necessary to be in the same spot, and then you can do it like darker, lighter. And then we're gonna continue with using in a different spot. You can always go back, okay? And then do the other colors. So I cleared the number 22 base nude for about 60 seconds. So I didn't put any top coat on. It still have a tacky layer. So another spot. I have the pink. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Friday. So with the Glitz Gel polish, it's really pigmented, so then you can able to do a lot of fun nail art. And you can do with so many colors. I have 29 colors right now. So you can just like adapt it in however you want. You want like to be darker, lighter. I'm gonna blend it. It's grabs so easy, and I'm using this a little is ombre sponge. All right. So if I'm happy with this, I am going to flash clear for about 30 seconds. Okay. And then we'll move it on the sides. Should we doing one nails completely? And then we are going to using weaver gels that you always see that I share with you. So easy to create your own too. DIY your own too. And I put like 5 sticks. You can do 4, 3, or 1. Then you can use dot 2, but start from 2. You can use this. Really simple. If you miss a video how I make this one, you can check them out on our videos on Facebook videos or YouTube, and also Instagram, and then also TikTok as well. So let's pick some weaver gel. It's Glitz weaver gel is really stringy, so it's not going anywhere. And you can create like more than just one line at a time. Okay. So maybe I should do some in the top. I just don't want to cover everything because I love the look of so now I want to flash here. All right, for 30 seconds. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Oh, give me that first. Happy Friday and welcome to Glitz Assistance Live Tutorials every day with you. And this is Lover. I love this one so much. The pigment is just so beautiful and so it's not like, its consistency is not like really light, so when you get in your string, your line arts on that, it looks absolutely opaque. So in the meantime, we're waiting. I am gonna getting ready for my crystal placement using is crystal Trifecta by Glitz Subscription Such is a 3-step methods that you can do if you have a really troubleshootings with yours crystal placement. This is going to be your bestie on your station. So we are gonna using condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat and precision glue gel. So it's 3-step, will definitely keep your crystals like concrete. So I'm gonna start with condensed glue gels and then go into with no white top coat, and condensed glue gel will keep it remaining unclear, and then no wipe top coat on the top. So then that condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat will grab your crystals base in one place. Okay, and then we're using the precision glues in the last step. So let's take a look and get our condensed glue gels. Really thick density, so you get this and don't be too surprised because it's really thick. And you only need a little go a long way. However, if you feel like you need to add more, absolutely you can add more. All right, so I added 1 layer. It's not too thick, not too thin. You can see that it doesn't looks like it's not like smooth and shiny at all. Because that is thick density is the condensed glue gel. So we're not adding a no wipe top coat on the top. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Floating on the top of the, can you just pay attention on this one? See, is Mika there? And I see someone, well, you might miss it. Hey Mika. Okay, so I have my beautiful, it's super adorable. I love this one. It's so, how do I explain it? So elegant. And I'm gonna pick, there's like 4 different colors. I believe it's a perfect hearts. I know which one I want. This one, I like them all. All right, that's it everyone. Just kidding, we want to put something cute on it. And of course, you know me, you see me doing a lot with the AB already, so it's time to get some like a glow in the dark. If you feel like your crystal is not listening to you and then it's just like faced out, just give it a little shake and then it's gonna turn exactly the way you want it. You just need to get some I'm gonna add just a little bit on. You know, sometimes clients just want simple and this one only wants heart, but I want it to add more. Very much, I like that. I'm gonna add some cute frame right here. That's it. And add some beads on. So a lot of questions will ask where is the best place to place your crystal and how you're gonna start. Just start with the centerpiece. In this beautiful designs, I chose the Perfect Hearts Charms at the centerpiece. So then I use all other SS of the glow in the dark. To add it around the nails. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add some of the beautiful crystals along. I'm loving this design though. And then you make sure you check this so it won't be crooked. You want to make it perfect the way you want it. Okay, so if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this for a 60-second ice. And you know what, be honest, I'm really obsessed with this design. Yes, catch his hand. Yes, thank you so much. Yes. All right, so cure for 60 seconds on this beauty.